Did you know that 16.6% of the world's population is undernourished? Undernourishment, or chronic hunger, is a state of inability to acquire enough food lasting for at least 1 year, defined as a level of food intake insufficient to meet dietary energy requirements. This means that 1 in 6 people are hungry. Did you know that 1 billion people are living in extreme poverty? Extreme poverty means that all of these people are deprived of their basic human needs such as food, safe water, sanitation, education, information, health, and shelter. And did you know that more than 99 million children under age 5 are still undernourished and underweight? As a result of hunger, children are introduced to poor health, low levels of energy, and reductions in mental functioning. Hunger can lead to even greater poverty by reducing people's ability to work and learn. And when we think that this situation cannot get any worse, we are confronted with the COVID-19 pandemic. Because the global pandemic is exacerbating world hunger. In fact, according to Sustainable Development Goals Report 2021, an additional 70 to 161 million people are likely to have experienced hunger as a result of the pandemic in 2020. 2.37 billion people are without food or unable to eat a healthy, balanced diet on a regular basis. Though we have enough food, it is not shared with all. Global hunger isn't about a lack of food. Right now, the world produces enough food to nourish every man, woman, and child on the planet. But nearly 1/3 of all food produced each year is squandered or spoiled before people can consume it. In fact, 1/3 of the food produced for consumption is wasted globally. But wait, are we really going to start from here? Well, let's go back to the beginning. Introducing the UN Sustainable Development Goals. The Sustainable Development Goals, or Global Goals, are a collection of 17 interlinked global goals designed to be a blueprint to achieve a better or more sustainable future for all. For today's video, we are going to talk about 2 of the goals, which you may have already guessed by the intro, which is the SDG 2 Hunger and the SDG 12 Responsible Consumption and Production. And especially for this video, we'll be using statistics and data from Cambodia, a country with a rich culture and agriculture. It seems that hunger may not be a big problem here, but what about waste? In 2013, the average municipal solid waste (MSW) in Phnom Penh per day was about 15,050 tons, or about 0.91 kg of waste generated per person per day. Waste generated in Phnom Penh is mainly dumped into the Dang Kao landfill, which is around 15 km from the city. The landfill has recently faced many problems such as groundwater contamination and greenhouse gas effects from a high amount of food waste. The composition of MSW varies significantly from one municipality to another and from country to country. Generally, it is composed of food, paper, plastic, yard trimmings, metal, wood, and glass. It is stated that more than half, in fact 15.9% of the MSW in Phnom Penh, Cambodia was from food waste. According to the same source, in Cambodia, popular dishes that are usually cooked always contain vegetables, which are cheap and always on promotions. This causes a large amount of food waste. Vegetables may be cut and peeled for the edible parts, leading to more trash. Cambodian people usually cook stir-fried and soup dishes with various kinds of vegetables. Proper food waste management is therefore needed to effectively plan for long-term management, to reduce possible environmental impacts, and where else to start rather than from each and every one of us. So make sure you only buy what you need, store food wisely, and especially enjoy leftover instead of new food. Put food waste into use by composting it, especially in agriculture. And remember, sharing is caring. If you find this video is helpful, make sure to share it with your family and friends. Thank you.